Hello friends, as we know, male fertility depends upon sperm counts. And friends, today I will discuss what is sperm count and why it is important for man health. Friends, to know all about sperm count, you have to watch this video till end. Let's start. Friends, first of all, we discuss what is sperm count and why it is important for man health. Friends, when we talk about male fertility or male sperm health, we need to measure male sperm counts. Men's sperm health all depends on sperm number of counts. A healthy man's sperm count will approximately 50 million in per milliliter. If a man having less than 15 million sperm count per ejaculation, known having infertility sperm count. Why sperm count is important for men health? Due to various sperm factors, sperm count is very important for man health. Number 1. The man having sperm count with low sperm count more likely to have high blood pressure. Number 2. Man with low sperm count can be easily target of diabetics, heart disease. So due to the above reason, it is important that if a man facing the problem of low sperm counts should check his lifestyle and his other health issues. He should go to his doctor and get the advice about his overall health. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to our channel Health Seekers and hit the bell icon to get the latest video about health seekers and healthy life. Thank you very much.